Axie Infinity generally shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Axie Infinity especially has fallen by 4 to 1% in the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As far as Axie support floor, it generally is currently 10 and 1021 in an especially significant manner. Axie fundamentally has its next opposition at $11.87 in a for the most part significant manner. 05 April 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these oftentimes most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues facts. What essentially is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity certainly is Axie in every practical sense. Wise interest in a really significant manner. Axie Infinity support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical. However, prior to plunging profound into the Axie specialized examination, certainly let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $2 492, 603, 616, 514 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $105, 179, 779.26, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 33%. In every way that really matters. Further, appearance how Axie explicitly has its in every practical sense. Next obstruction at $11.87, which basically is very huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 and 895 WoW level after a decay of 59%, showing that Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value reduction of 3.8% coming to $33,257.94 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere around $857 and presently exchanging at $172.88, which essentially is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axie specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for a especially present moment, which for the most part shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which by and that's what large shows yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the Axie specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the extremely current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely huge. Right now, a genuinely broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner. Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a really significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchases explicitly become commonly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a very descending heading for genuinely present moment, which truly shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Axie specialized examination, explicitly let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors explicitly become moved truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which fundamentally is very critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie Infinity Axie Infinity execution. The very everyday diagram of Axie Infinity certainly shows that the Axie value sort of has a descending development with a 4.1% diminishing in lovely beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that 05 April 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What fundamentally is extremely transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity really is acts and all things considered, wise speculation, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the Axie Infinity X coin sort of is remaining at $9.42 with market capitalization $1,347,353 USD, which generally is very critical. Axe cost changes 16% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $47 a 784 382 USD in a kind of huge manner. Axie Infinity Value Investigation Acts Cost Examination for 05 April 2024 inside a truly day-to-day time span, especially made sense of. Underneath, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, we utilize really relative strength indexes, moving exceptionally normal assembly and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving truly normal SMA and dramatic moving sort of normal MA to in a real sense break down the future development of the Axie Infinity, showing that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Axe specialized examination. In a real sense, let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie Infinity sort of is moving in especially descending heading as in a real sense bears effectively especially take the coin beneath prompt help level of talent 21, which really shows that market examination. Over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 184%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $2 492 603 616 514, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Presently, Axie ought to by and large track down a help at $932 or, more than likely the dealers could then focus on the urgent help level put at $1353. For the most part, further appearance how sold the exceptionally local coin of Solana basically is. Somewhere near $857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, which explicitly is very huge. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value decline of 318% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. Axie Infinity financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday graph, exhibiting that Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they essentially thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, exhibiting that the cost of Axie Infinity by and large has fallen by 401% in the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical